The Department of Transportation is seeking input on plans to repair a busy Chippewa Falls bridge. It's this bridge on Highway 124 over Duncan Creek, going past the Leinenkugel's Brewery. The bridge was built in 1949 and, according to the DOT, is in need of sidewalk, curb, and gutter repairs and repairs to the bridge back wall and bridge joint replacements. The bridge will be closed during the project. Work isn't scheduled to begin until 2030, but right now the DOT is asking for public input about the project. We have information about how to submit your comments by going to WQW.com.